Today we're going to make a simple couch throw from granny squares. Let's get started. So with this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make 16 granny squares. Now these can be any granny square that you want to make. This particular one I have a pattern on my site for, but it can be any basic generic granny square that you really enjoy making. So you're going to hold two granny squares together and attach your yarn by slipping the yarn through the corner chain of the square closest to you. Then make the slip knot that you would normally place on your crochet hook and insert your crochet hook there. From there, chain 3, then double crochet in the corner chain of the second square, the one farthest away from you. So now you've got them kind of attached at the corner together. Now you can skip the next stitch of the first square and 2 double crochet in the next stitch of this first square. Skip the next stitch of square 2 and double crochet in the next stitch of square 2. You're just going to repeat that from the skipping of the next stitch of square 1 and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch of square 1. And then skip the next stitch of square 2 and 2 double crochet in the next stitch of square 2. Just repeat that across all along the side, the one side of the granny squares. When we get to the corner, we're going to 2 double crochet in the corner of square 1 and then 2 double crochet in the corner of square 2 before we cut and finish this little section. So you're going to repeat that to create these chained together granny squares. So on one side of 2 granny squares where they meet up, you're just going to repeat that over and over. And then when you've got 2 chains that are equal length, so 4 on each for each chain, we're going to attach our yarn to the corner of one of those chains by holding 2 of the chains back to back, slipping the yarn through just like we did before, and then make the slip knot just like we did before, and then chain 3, double crochet in the corner chain of the granny square, chain 2, so that you've got a secure connection there. You can kind of get your extra yarn out of the way. No need to have it dangling there, less to clean up later. And then skip the next stitch of square 1 just like we did before, and 2 double crochet in the next stitch of square 1. Skip the next stitch of square 2 and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch of square 2. So see, we're just doing the same pattern, but now we're doing it with the long side of all of these granny squares. So when we get to the end of the granny squares here, just like we did before, we're going to 2 double crochet in the corner of square 1 and also 2 double crochet in the corner of square 2. Now, we haven't done this before, so we're just going to, let me catch up here just to make sure I'm in the right place. Yeah. So, and see how everything evens up. Make sure everything lines up, especially on this first one. So we're doing our 2 double crochet on the back square there. Now when we hit the yellow, we want to double crochet in the side of the yellow double crochet of square 1 and then double crochet in the side of the yellow double crochet of square 2. Then you're going to 2 double crochet in the side of the second yellow double crochet of square 1 and 2 double crochet in the side of the second yellow double crochet of square 2. So you see we're repeating the pattern, but we're doing it through the yellow. We're not trying to bunch it up at these corners. We want to make sure that's a smooth transition all the way across. Then when we reach the squares again, we're just going to repeat over again. Double crochet in the corner chain of the granny square, chain 1, and double crochet in the corner chain of the granny square, chain 2. Skip the next stitch of square 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and on and on. Once you have as many squares stuck together as you'd like to stick, you can just go ahead and cast on and single crochet all the way around to give it a nice little border, or you can do any other border you'd like to do. I just wanted to do something quick and easy for my little couch throw. There you have it. That's how you turn any granny square crochet pattern into a couch throw. And you can use this same method to turn it into a full king size blanket even. It's just a simple, relatable method that you can use with pretty much any granny square.